How to enable app lock without third-party apps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can enable app lock without third-party apps. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. So you can enable app lock without third-party apps by using built-in features such as secure folder, private space, or app lock feature. It depends on the type of Android device you have. So what you'll need to do is go to your settings. Now depending on your model, you will need to head over to different locations. For Samsung Galaxy devices, you'll need to go to your security and privacy, search for secure folder, and then add apps there. For my device, I'll need to head over to apps. Now under apps, if I scroll down, I'll find app locker. Tap on that. I'll need to enter out my PIN. I can then add apps here. So select the app that you want to lock. Maybe let's say Duolingo. Now it's been added on the locked apps. If I try to open up my Duolingo, I will need to go through the verification. And after I verify only, then I'll be able to open it. And yeah, that's how you enable app lock on your Android apps without a third-party app. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.